Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of September. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Aries. We have the Justice, the Two of Swords, the Four of Cups, okay, the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Five of Cups, the Nine of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, and the Fool. Okay. So let's see what is the message from this deck for the Aries. Okay. The Jack of Clubs, guidance, many cards. Okay, guidance from the angels. Okay, two messages have popped up. Really, and Six of Emotion. Okay. Okay, Aries. So what's happening here is that there has been some truth which you've come to know. Okay. So you've come to know something, and after that truth is revealed to you, or some sort of justice is being done, something major has been unveiled, I should say, to you in the form of some truth. Some message has come up, or something. Uh, Maybe it was some major information in some way, shape, or form which has come up to you. Okay, but yes, to some extent, some truth has come up, or some justice has been done in a situation. But the thing is that you are very very closed off, and that's why I feel that some information has come to you, and that information is not pleasant to you. That's what I feel. You are not really happy with it, because you are totally closed off. You've isolated yourself after this information or this news which has come up. You have isolated yourself. You want to be alone. You are guarded. You are totally closed off. You don't want to interact with anyone. You don't want to talk to the specific person about whom the truth has been disclosed, or excuse me, or in general. But yes, you are totally closed off to the extent that you are really not interested in anything. And what I feel here is that you are sort of depressed. Basically, you're sort of depressed, I should say, really upset, at least after whatever information has come up to you. Something has been disclosed, I guess, and you're really upset. Upset and gloomy, definitely. You've just disconnected, I should say. You have totally disconnected, at least from this situation or this individual about whom this information has come up. But you are totally by yourself, totally reluctant, and you're just trying to, I should say, spend time. You're spending time alone, basically, trying to find answers as to why it happened and what was the reason behind it, something like that. Okay, maybe you are not at home. You are even moving to places, like you're going out and to the park or some other places, but you are just spending time alone. That's what, and you are really upset. Okay, it's something like that. They work. When a person is upset, they don't stay at one place. Sometimes they go at one place, sometimes to the other place, just trying to see wherever they can. They feel the mood is elevated or something like that. But they're just trying to disturb. Basically, you are disturbed over here. That's what I feel. Okay, and here with the Page of Pentacles and with the Page of Cups, there is something still, or it is new. I think it's new. There is some communication with somebody perhaps, or now you have your eyes on somebody. There is some sort of new beginning or some opportunity or something, some hope that you can see. That exactly, that is the word that I am getting. You are seeing some hope in some situation. Okay, so maybe now you are trying to, you are spending time, and now you want to come out of this gloomy situation, and you've healed yourself to some extent perhaps, and now you are seeing hope in some situation, and you want to have a new beginning in this situation, whatever this situation is. So definitely you are seeing hope in something after this period of self isolation, sort of. You are seeing hope in somebody or some situation. But again over here with the Five of Cups, one thing is that whatsoever this new hope is, you are totally focused on it because you see it as your savior, sort of. This, you feel as if it's done. No, this is the thing, this is the final thing, this is something which I really want, and you really you are emotional also about it, and you see it as your something permanent. Okay, though it is a small beginning, your small interest is there, but you definitely have a small step towards it. You do want to take that step towards this situation. But what I am getting here is that there is some sort of reluctancy because of this Five of Cups. I see this is a reluctancy because of this past experience, that you have a new opportunity or a person on which you see hope, and you feel that this is the right thing to do, or this is the right person to be with, whatever this is. But the thing is that you are still reluctant because of, you don't want to be upset again. That's what I'm getting. You don't want to be upset again. So perhaps you are still have those remnants of this energy are still there, which are holding you back from making a decision or making a move. So there are still those times of depression, I should say, or upset, when you're upset and you still feel as if, should I take that risk or shouldn't I, should I be. So you are still trying to find the answers within as to, should I make the move or shouldn't I, should I avail this opportunity or shouldn't I. It's something like that. So there are moments still when you pause and you think about those things, because you don't want to break your heart once again. You don't want that something bad to happen once again. You don't want your plans to fall off once again. Okay, so this is the reluctancy which is there, which is making you to pause and think about and rethink and reevaluate about the situation. Okay, but the thing here is, the beautiful thing here is that with the Nine of Cups, you will be able to make up your mind, and you will be finding that your wishes are fulfilled. You will feel happy about this opportunity, whatever this is. There's something, whatever this new beginning is, it will give you emotional fulfillment. It will give you happiness, contentment. It is like your wish come true. And with it, you will feel as if you've elevated to some extent, sort of a promotion you are getting, or you are, at least people are admiring you for whatever it is. You are looked up upon. And with the Fool, definitely you are at a brink of a new journey, sort of, and you are taking those risks, whatever risks are required, because you feel that, yeah, this is the right thing for me, this is the right beginning for me, and you are ready to take the risks which are involved in this, and you are ready to take that leap of faith and move ahead in that direction with a carefree type of a manner. And here with the Jack of Clubs, your eyes are totally focused, totally glued to whatever this new beginning is, whatever this new opportunity is. You just don't want to lose it at any cost. The guidance from the angels. Six of Emotion. Memories can fill your heart with many emotions. It is important to remember your past accurately without seeing it as better or worse than it was. People you used to know may return to your life unexpectedly. Children could be an important issue, or you may need to reconnect with your inner child. So basically, it is talking about the fact that whatever this negative experience was, whatever this truth was which came up to you, and you felt hurt or you felt depressed, there are moments which are hindering you to make a move in a positive direction, in a new opportunity also. Okay, so whatever it is, don't be depressed. You just need to learn the lessons and move on. Number 12 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Seeing clearly. It is the time to view things from a different perspective. You have the blessed gift to see the past and the current situation and envision amazing possibilities. Don't worry, the pause in momentum while you rethink your plans won't last. That's what I said. Don't worry, just try to think. If this is not a bad thing, if you're trying to review the things and look at them in a new perspective, it's very good. That's what I said. Okay, so it is a gift, and the pause in this momentum, okay, it is taking the time. You have it, your eyes are set on it, but still you are taking the time, and immediately just see, what did I say with the Nine of Cups? Emotions are fulfilled. You are very, very happy about the situation in which you have moved and taken a decision to move. So don't worry, the pause in the momentum while you are rethinking your plans, it won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. Okay, so it is coming off as a very good energy, and I don't think this Five of Cups, it's just it is a human nature, it will happen. Okay, and it is, I think it is a good thing. You need to pause, you really need to think about, because once you able, don't move, rush in, you need to slow down, and once you do that, it is a very wise decision, because what else is the point if you don't learn from the past mistakes? So it is a very good thing for you, Aries. So I guess it's a pretty good energy, whatever it is. So I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.